Hi friends, welcome back to A Minute with Megan. I am Megan Marr, I'm a product marketing manager. Today, we're going to talk about reported versus calculated lifetime hours on our spec sheets. When you look at our spec sheets for any given product, you're gonna see lifetime hours. And there's usually two numbers, reported and calculated. And we're here to break down exactly what those two values mean. For some context, you'll see values like L90 and L70. That just means the point where the fixture is either 90% or 70% of its original light output. Not that it stops working, just that output is reduced. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. Reported lifetime values come directly from LED manufacturers based on standardized testing data and lifetime prediction models that those manufacturers generate. Things like LM80 and TM21. Calculated lifetime is where we take it one step further. Our internal optics and engineering teams model the full system of LEDs, including thermal protection and thermal performance, and we base that value on the worst performing LED in the system to ensure accuracy. This matters because LEDs are sensitive to heat. In the real world, conditions matter, especially outdoors or in an enclosed space. These temperature and thermal conditions can impact performance over time. You'll also notice that in our data, we don't push numbers beyond 100,000 hours. That is intentional. It reflects realistic conditions out in the field, not ideal lab or calculated scenarios. Ultimately, you don't ever have to question if the numbers you're seeing on the spec sheet will hold up in real life. We're sure of that. Numbers talk, but they're not everything. You have to know how they're derived and how they're calculated. That's what matters. We hope that you're confident in the data, and when you're comparing products, you now feel empowered to use that data to make a realistic choice for your project. See you next time on A Minute with Megan.